A wonderful moment, Zimbabwe, and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. We are dating back to 2008 political violence, which erupted across Zimbabwe, across the country, and resulted in some people being maimed, killed, and some being handicapped for life. And this is something which is very important. 7 men who murdered a man in 2008 due to political violence are now paying more than 195 cattle, or around 195 cattle, as compensation after the avenging spirit of Mr. Tencent is now haunting them. And it's something very important. Let us take a look onto this video.
Kutevera ndo 27 dzandakadzingiripe dzekuri pangozi 20 idzo namba yakati kuverengwa kufamba kuda 7 dzake chipuwa miti Tencent zvawakamuda ikadzona dzaenda takuchida dzokuripa 20 ngozi 20 wozoita dzinochiuya apa ichitaura varumbo zoona kuti dzimwe dzakomomo dzakaremara dzakapapa dzakaungana timapo dzaita 21 apasara dzimwe mombe 2 ndinofana kuya nadzo nemusi wesandi kodzimwe pane rimwe rakaremara mborona iro dhonza rako hope rakaremara rakaita nhonho badza asi rakachitaura dzimwe uchauya nadzo nemusesande mombe 2 dzasara neheti neboots size 6 safety shoe kana saka inini handisi kusunura ndichakusunura kana dzava ndizo handiri ndise kuti dzinouya musesande wamaregatambosiya zvakadai musesande kana wauya ndosiya ndinenge ndinezvataingoita.
So far, this man has actually paid 30 beasts to actually compensate the murder of Mr. Tencent, and he was in the chief's court to surrender the last cows as well as other items which were demanded, including safety shoes, a hat, among other things. So this is a lesson to all ZANU-PF people who have murdered people across the country, to say you will be used by your political party to murder others, to kill others, to maim others. But when it comes to vengeance, the avenging spirits will haunt your family, will come after you, not after those who have sent you. So, and also the political party will not come to save you, but you're also risking yourself of an arrest. This is a matter which we will need to see how the law enforcement authorities are going to deal with it. If they've agreed to have murdered someone in 2008, are the law enforcement officers going to say, let it be just like that? We will need to see how everything is going to unfold. So each and every evil thing will follow the evil doers. Let us continue to pray that God helps the victims to actually torment the people who have murdered our people. One day, I just want to see this going straight to the top echelons of ZANU-PF. Those at the top, the commanders themselves, they must be haunted by these spirits. We know that they have endless ngangas and so forth, but one day they must be tormented. That is why chaida kumboona vachidona onye vachipera makanda. That is what is going to make them actually understand this kind of message, to say it's not good to murder others.